Doctors worry e-cigarettes are a gateway for teens. Video in Today.com. Today vertical bracket September 6, 2013. Doctors worry e-cigarettes are a gateway for teens. More and more middle and high school students are using e-cigarettes, but federal health officials worry they could act as a gateway for smoking the real thing. Cairo trademark as Dr. Nancy Snitterman reports. Share this. Related videos. Transcript of this video. Moms. Homework is a waste of time, new studies say. Today. September 6, 2013. Parents of miracle baby recall devastating diagnosis. Today. September 6, 2013. High school football team escapes bus fire. Today. September 6, 2013. Doctors worry e-cigarettes are a gateway for teens. Today. September 6, 2013. A small tilde miracle dab by a trademark survives usually fatal condition. Today. September 6, 2013. China trademark as a small tilde eagle dot a trademark trains son, 5, to fly. Today. September 6, 2013. Education Secretary, lead a trademark as start school later. Today. September 5, 2013. Get organized with these new apps and tools. Today. September 5, 2013. South Carolina governor locked out of mansion in robe. Today. September 5, 2013. Secrets to getting kids to do their homework. Today. September 4th, 2013. Stranger pays tab for family with special needs son. Today. September 4th, 2013. For 90-year-old couple, Swifrag stardom is a small tilde unexpected trademark. Today. September 4th, 2013. This content comes from closed captioning that was broadcast along with this program. Is greater than a new report out this morning is giving parents cause for concern. It shows the use of electronic cigarettes are on the rise among teens. Nancy Snitterman is our chief medical editor. She has the story. Good morning to you. Is greater than good morning, Savannah. There is an aggressive marketing campaign. The use of celebrities and yes, increasingly our kids are turning to these cigarettes and a lot of parents and health officials are questioning are they safe and should we be happy that they are not smoking the real thing? Is greater than reporter, 16-year-old Joshua Short started smoking cigarettes 6 months ago as a way to relieve stress but he knows his habit is a bad one. Is greater than I was smoking and I wanted to kick that and that's when I received my first e-cigarette from a friend. Is greater than reporter, Joshua is part of a growing trend among teens trading real cigarettes for electronic ones. Is greater than, whether or not it's bad for me, I believe it's better than a cigarette. Is greater than reporter. According to data released Thursday by the CDC, nearly 1.8 middle and high school students tried them. That's more than twice as many kids as in 2011. At least 15 states banned e-cigarette sales to minors, but they are still available online. Is greater than they say nicotine isn't addictive. Is greater than reporter, the message used to be clear. But now a new message about smoking from celebrities like Jenny McCarthy. Is greater than I'm Jenny McCarthy and I finally found a smarter alternative to cigarettes. Is greater than reporter, they are marketed as an alternative to smoking. They deliver varying amounts of nicotine in a water-based vapor without smoke or tobacco. Is greater than it seems cleaner. Is greater than reporter. The long-term health effects are still unknown and federal health officials worry that instead of helping kick the habit they could be a gateway to the real thing. Is greater than it's very likely that kids starting with e-cigarettes are getting hooked on nicotine and progressing to conventional cigarettes. Is greater than he's a consultant for Enjoy. He says they are meant for adult smoke